Hey friends, who's hungry? This easy turkey tetrazzini recipe is a great way to use up Thanksgiving leftovers. It has a rich and creamy sauce and is topped with a buttery breadcrumb topping. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook 1 pound of spaghetti noodles in a large pot of lightly salted water according to the package directions until al dente. Drain the pasta and set aside. Melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a large stock pot over medium-high heat. Add 1 medium diced onion and saute until the onions are tender, about 5 to 7 minutes. Then add 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms and 1 diced red bell pepper and saute 4 to 5 minutes longer. Stir in 1 teaspoon of salt and half a cup of all-purpose flour. Add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon and 6 cups of whole milk or heavy cream. Bring the mixture to a simmer and stir for 2 minutes until the sauce has thickened. Then add 6 cups of diced leftover turkey meat, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Heat the sauce through and season with additional salt and pepper to your liking. Add the drained spaghetti and stir to coat the pasta with the cheese sauce. Transfer everything to a greased 9 by 12 by 2 inch baking dish. Melt the remaining 4 tablespoons of butter. Once melted, toss the butter with 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs. Spread the panko breadcrumbs over the top of the casserole, then bake the turkey casserole for 30 to 35 minutes until the casserole is heated through and the panko breadcrumb topping is golden brown. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.